JJ.
And I'm Miles. Welcome to WestFest.
This video will show you how to perform one of the activities found in this year's WestFest activity kit. If you do not have a kit, you can go to go.osu.edu/WestFestKit 2025 to find the list of needed supplies which you may have lying around the house.
Some of these activities do require adult supervision for safety. Enjoy the video.
Hi guys, I'm Nia Johnson and I am an engineer. One thing that engineers do are solve problems with math and science principles. One problem that we've seen in big cities like Columbus, Ohio, is that there's really a lack of parking, especially accessible parking. Why do we need accessible parking? Well, there are people like you and I who have places that we need to get to, especially folks who are in wheelchairs, on crutches, people pushing strollers, walkers, bikers, scooters. Everyone deserves to be able to get to where they need to go, and a parking spot meant for them. So, as an engineer, I'm going to take it upon myself to create a better situation for parking in our city. And I am so excited for you to help me in doing that.
In this activity, you get to be an engineer who designs a real parking lot. Just like the people who plan the places where cars park at stores, schools, and parks, you'll decide where the cars go, how they get in and out, and where to put special spaces for people who need extra room. You'll use your brain, your hands, and a toy car to test your design, just like in real life. As you work through this challenge, you'll follow the steps of the engineering design process, asking questions, imagining ideas, planning your layout, building your parking lot, testing it out, and improving your design. Are you ready for the challenge of designing your very own parking lot?
Hey guys, well, now that you know what to do, let's get to it, get creative, and get engineering. Have fun. Good luck.